Hey everybody, welcome back to SammyJo Did You Know Google Chrome Extension March Madness. Last week I told you guys about Grammarly. This week I'm going to talk to you about one of my absolute favorite Google Chrome extensions, and that is my Calendly link. Everybody has to schedule lots of meetings, and the emails back and forth trying to figure out everybody's availability can get a little daunting. So once I figured out that Google Chrome had an extension to help with this, I was on it. Let me show you how to download it and how it works. As I explained last week, all you're going to do to get to your Google Chrome extensions is click on this little button up here that looks like a puzzle piece. Once you're here, you're going to click on the three little lines to the left, and down at the bottom you're going to go to your Google Chrome store. Once there, you're going to search for Calendly. Once you have that and you download it, it's super simple. It's going to give you a link that you put into your email or that you can send to somebody in an email. That's going to open up to your calendar that is linked to your Gmail calendar. And as long as that is up to date, somebody can only book with you when you are free. Anytime somebody does use this and books with you, it does send you an email and put it on your calendar, but you have to accept it. So watch out for those links to come through. As always, stay tuned for more SammyJo Did You Know. I'll see you next week for more Google Chrome extensions.